This is a tutorial on how to make a scrolling story in Adobe Spark. After you have logged in, click the plus button to create your project. Click Start from Scratch and then Web Page. Now it's time to title our story. You can add a subtitle if you want. Now add a background image. Click the plus button and Photo. Here you can upload a photo of your own or find royalty-free, copyright-cleared images within Adobe Spark. I'm going to choose this one as my background. At this point, go to Themes and choose one that best reflects your story. A theme will set the color, font, and style of your project. I'm going to choose Trek. To add more pages to your story, always scroll down to reveal the menu. Let's take a look at our choices. To begin, we should start with text. I'm going to copy and paste just some dummy text in this example. Click H1 to make the text large, H2 to make it smaller. You can make it a block quote if you are quoting someone, or bullet points, or a numbered list. I'm going to choose H1 and then Center Justify. Scroll down to reveal the menu and create the next page. This time, let's put in a photo. I'll go ahead and choose this one. At this point, you have several choices to determine how your image is displayed. The first is inline. This takes the original size of the photo and scrolls it as you scroll. Click the image to get more options. Next is fill screen. Notice it adds a cool zoom effect. And gives you options for a caption. Click the image again. Let's go to Window this time. Notice how the image remains fixed and the window scrolls over it. Again, an option for a caption. Click the image. If I choose full width, it's the same as fill screen, only no zoom effect. From this menu, you can also move, replace, or delete your photo. I'm going to go back to full screen, fill screen. Scroll down to create the next page. Next, choose Button. This is where you can do a link. Let's type some text and then fill in a URL. This will become a link with this text that your audience can go to. You can fill out the alignment of the button. I'm going to hit centered, and then I'll hit save. Scroll down to create your next page. Next, let's try video. This option allows us to paste a link to an already existing video on the internet. Note, you cannot upload videos using this option. Scroll down to create the next page. Next, click on Photo Grid. This allows you to take a series of photos and display them in a group. Each photo can be rearranged or made large and the others small. We can replace a photo with something else. When you're done, click Save. You can even add a caption if you like. Scroll down to create the next page. Next, let's try Glide Show. This allows for a kind of nested story within the main story. Start by choosing several background images. Then hit Save. Try scrolling through them. Notice how each image fades into the next. Also notice that there is a transparent box that scrolls with each image. Each of these boxes can contain a photo, text, a link, or a video. So you can see how you can create some pretty complex ideas. Scroll down to create the next page. The final option is Split Layout. This allows you to layer up an image on one side and either another photo, text, a link, or video on the other side. I'll try a photo. Scroll down if you want to create another page. Or, if you're satisfied with your scrolling story, you can either preview it to see what it'll look like to your audience, or you can share it. This will be when you want to create a link for others to see. Click the Share button, publish and share link. You'll have to pick a category. I'll just choose education. You can retitle your story if you choose. And finally, create the link. Copy the link and paste it in a place where your audience can see. Remember, if you need further assistance, you can always come to the TSW window and ask for help. Thanks for watching.